You're welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put a picture on your contacts so as to easily identify who is calling you and to avoid picking calls from intruders. So for that to be done, we are going to get into our call dealer app. I'm going to show you how it works. So this is our app here. So we're just going to enter into it. Once you're in your call dealer app, you're just going to dial any number which you want to store and put a picture on it. So I'm just going to take something like, so if I want to like store this number, I'm just going to click on create new contact up here. Once you click on create new contact, you're just going to fill the format name, something like wise. So if you want to add the picture to this contact, you're just going to click on this small icon up here. But guys, please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you smash the notification panel, click on the subscription button, and don't forget to like. And make sure you watch this video to the end to get more details on how it works. So I'm just going to give you 5 seconds for you to do that. Okay, thank you guys. I believe that has been done. So I really appreciate as you have subscribed, and I thank you. So let's continue on what we're doing. But before clicking on that small icon up there to add a picture, you need to make sure that the contact which you are saving is on a Gmail. Yeah. And for you to insert it to be at a Gmail format, just gonna click here. Once you click there, this window will pop down, and then we're gonna select but a Gmail, nothing else but a Gmail. Because if you select on SIM card, let me select it. You see, there is no option here for you to add a picture, and that's not cool because we want to have a picture on our contacts. So the best thing to do is to select by the Gmail so you can add a picture. And the coolest thing about you selecting a Gmail is that even if your phone gets missing or it falls into water and gets bad, you won't lose any of your contacts because they are stored directly into your Gmail. Once you buy a new phone and input your Gmail account, everything will come back at fresh. So I really advise you to store your contacts on a Gmail. So we're just going to choose any Gmail here to store it on. I'm going to choose this second one. Okay, once you have chosen it, so the next thing we're going to do is, before proceeding to add a picture, let me just try the option to store in the phone. Let's click there. Yeah, to store in the phone. Yeah, let's see what's gonna show. You can see on the phone, you can actually also store on the phone with a picture, but storing a contact in the phone with a picture is very risky because your phone can get bad or your phone may be stolen and your contacts will be loose. Everything will be loose. So I prefer you store it on a Gmail. So let us set it back to the Gmail. Okay, that's done. That has been done. So we're just gonna add a picture to our contact. So we're just gonna click on this small icon here as I earlier said. So click on it. Just gonna select on choose photo. Okay, once you click on that, it's gonna bring you into your gallery. So you're just gonna choose any picture of your choice. So I'm just gonna choose this picture up here. Let me enter to it. I'm just gonna choose this one. Then I'm just gonna choose to complete the action using my gallery. I'm just gonna click once, and you can see it brings me to size out my picture in the way I want. I'm just gonna make it to be big so that it can be seen very well. And here you can see it's good. I'm just gonna click on save up here. You You can see our contact is now having a picture. That's it up there. You can see that's our picture that we have just saved up there. So to finish, you are just going to click on save up here, and everything will be done. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, click on the notification panel, and leave a comment. I would really appreciate if you do that. Thank you guys. Make sure you stay blessed.